Hey guys, Drone Pilot here. Today I want to tell you a little shout out for a small drone film festival. It's actually global now, entries from around the world. They're all sent in to here on the Central Coast to Avoca. It's called Blue2Blue Drone Festival. So look it up on Facebook and YouTube. Martin created this a few years ago. So it's Blue, number 2, Blue, obviously ocean to sky, Blue2Blue, small film festival, all shot with drones. It's pretty sick. So as long as the majority of your film is via drones, it's going to be awesome. Prizes are amazing too. There's international and local based prizes too. There's some pretty heavy sponsors involved. It's the evolution. I used to fly planes years and years. I'm talking 20 years ago when planes were out, nitro planes and electric planes came in, and brushless came out, revolutionised everything. I love brushless. You know, this is one of the first drones or quads that was brought into Australia. It's by Silverlit. This component here is the gyro. There was no computer stabilisation, no GPS. You had to fly this, mate. And I'll tell you what, it wasn't easy. These suckers are gear driven. This gyro would spin up, and that was the only thing keeping the aircraft level. You think you're a good pilot, try flying this thing 20 years ago. Then you see the good pilots. You know, FPV. 20 years ago I was using this, a 9-volt camera, 1.2 hertz. It was amazing. Range, no more than a K. Ran off a 9-volt battery. So that's where the FPV first came from. Now you're shooting it out at 2.4 or 5.8, like the Sparks and all DJI products. Planes, they've all got cameras in them. These are intelligent drone years. So these guys were pre-actually brushless motors. So they were a handful. The SR-71, the B-2 Bomber. The F-22 Lightning was the first brushless plane that I got and whacked those cameras in there. Right down to little micro things. Awesome. So guys, get on board. Go and check out Blue2Blue on Facebook and put in Blue2Blue Drone Festival on YouTube, and you'll find your way there eventually anyway. Go and support it. It's an awesome little thing. It's promoting drone use. This year is our backyard, and there's also a kiddies section that promotes where are drones going, what does the future hold for drones, not only in filming and racing and having mad fun, but also in 3D surveying, search and rescue. These things have thermal cameras on them nowadays. So all you have to do is pull out this camera, whack on your thermal camera, search and rescue. Awesome. Go and save those little lost kids, backpackers that are lost at night time. Whack this on a selfie stick. These things are amazing. So get on board, Blue2Blue Drone Festival. Go and check it out. Yeah.
Lion Island, Box Head, Brisbane Water, Avoca Shark Tower, Budai National Park, Catherine Hill Bay, and this is only our backyard. The team at Blue2Blue are stoked to announce that submissions for the 2019 Blue2Blue Drone Film Festival are now open at Film Freeway. We can't wait to hear your stories, share your adventures, and be blown away by your creativity and imagination. On behalf of all our sponsors and supporters, we're pumped and excited to see what cinematic magic comes our way this year.